Hello, good morning, one and everyone. All of you are welcome in Standard 11 Commerce. In Commerce stream or in any stream, 11th standard is the foundation. Up to post-graduation level, if you study then statistics, accountancy, economics, OC, management are the fundamental subjects. One of the important subject, practical subject, scoring subject is statistics. One of the important subject. The first chapter is collection of data. Statistics and accountancy दोनों practical subject है. You can score up to 100 marks, 100 out of 100. Statistics, the origin of the subject statistics, the basic and fundamental part of the statistics. Very first time, German word statistic last में क्या है? Word statistic was introduced by Gottfried Eichenwald in 1749. While in 1797, statistics is first time used in Encyclopedia Britannica. The Institute, Royal Statistical Association was established by Laplace and Gauss. In 1834 in the city London. Mathematical statistics is introduced by Carl Pearson. Mathematical statistics was established by Carl Pearson, a well-known statistician. While the Fisher, who is known as the father of statistics, he used the word statistics or statistics used in different fields like genetics, biometric, psychology, agriculture, education and other fields. The list of the definition of statistics, more than 100 definitions of statistics is given by W.F. Wilcox in 1935. This is the basic concept or basic fundamentals of statistics. Carl Pearson is the founder of mathematical statistics and Royal Statistical Association founded by Laplace and Gauss in London in 1834. Moreover, a well-known statistician of India, P.C. Mahalanobis, has established ISI. We know generally, ISI means Indian Statistical Institute in 1931 at Calcutta. NSSO means National Sample Survey Organization. IASRI, associated with the Agricultural Unit, Institute of Agricultural Statistics Research Institute. These are also the important unit of statistics. ISI is one of them, established by P.C. Mahalanobis, the well-known statistician of India in 1931 at Calcutta. Definition of statistics is given by various statisticians, Croxton and Cowden, Professor Horace Zacharias, etc. But one of the important definitions of statistics given by Croxton and Cowden as follows. According to them, Croxton and Cowden, statistics is a scientific method which deal with or which associated with or which concern with three kinds: collection of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of the numerical data. Now collection of the data. It means it is the foundation of the statistics. It constitutes the foundation of the basic statistics. The data must be collected in a systematic manner. If the data are not collected in a systematic manner, means it would be meaningless. If the data are collected in a haphazard manner, then wasting of time, money and the labor spent. Then analysis of the data to calculate mean, central tendency, to calculate SD means dispersion, coefficient of association, coefficient of correlation, coefficient of regressions, are analysis of the data. Analysis means methods and techniques to study the data. It is known as analysis of the data. And finally, after making analysis, interpretation of the data means to get the conclusion or the results. It is known as interpretation of the numerical data. In various languages, statistics is also known as, in Latin word, status, S-T-A-T-U-S. In Italian word, statista, S-T-A-T-I-S-T-A. In German word, statistic, last में K है, S-T-A-T-I-S-T-I-K. In French word, statistics, last में Q-U-E है, S-T-A-T-I-S-T-I-Q-U-E. These are the different words, the different phenomena of the statistics in different languages. The OR means operation research. One of the important branch of statistics. The branch of statistics, OR, means operation research. Very much useful in Second World War, in planning and arrangement of military and other services. At Regional Research Laboratory. In 1947, at Hyderabad, the unit of OR was established. These are the basic concept, the definition given by Croxton and Cowden. Statistics is nothing but scientific method which deal with collection of data, analysis of data and interpretation of the data. The great Indian statistician Professor P.C. Mahalanobis has established ISI, the main institute, Indian Statistical Institute at Calcutta in 1931. These are the basic fundamentals of statistics, and we started with chapter number 1. Please read up to page number 3 in our textbook, or please study this very well. You may get very much idea or deep concept in statistics. And later on, we are going to see the primary data, secondary data, quantitative phenomenon, qualitative phenomenon, what is population, what is sample, what is character and what is non-character. That part we are going to see later on. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.